Hello and welcome to day 29 of my daily option selling journal. Well, technically it's day 30, but I did not record a video yesterday. But I did trade yesterday and I guess, do the analysis of the trades I did yesterday as well. But today's market, well, as you can see, it was literally perfection for an option seller. Like, it cannot get better than this. The entire market was just sideways. So you can guess, I guess, that I made a lot of money. I'll show you how much I exactly made at the end of the video. But let me show you where I entered. So today I entered over here at 921. As you can see, the market opened a gap up, like a slight gap up. It took the liquidity from above when it fell. So when it took the support from this EMA, I entered at 921 about. So at that point, I entered a straddle of 24,600, which is this, and the entire day the market just stayed inside the range. So I made money. Let me show you the wait, sorry. Let me show you the option chain. 24,600, the call fell 30% and the put fell 50%, so that's good. And I really can't say anything about this market movement because it was sideways. So let's just move on to the straddle price analysis. As you can see, it opened at a high price of 276.8. It made a high of 276.8 as well. And from there it fell instantly, and at about 11 a.m. it stopped falling. So at 11 p.m., I think 11 or I think 10. No, it was 10, I guess. So yeah, at 10 a.m. I messaged on the Telegram channel that the straddle prices have stopped falling. So if you guys have any straddle positions, you can book your profits. And but I did not book my profits. I in fact waited till 2 p.m. I was like, okay, I'll monitor the straddle prices and see if they fall even more, which they did not really fall much. So I exited at about 2 p.m. over here at a price of 159. So let me just show you the messages. So as you can see, at 10:19 I messaged that my target has been achieved at 10 a.m. So I would have exited, but I would have exited, but I just said a message that I will hold a bit longer, and by a bit longer I just holded the entire day till 2 p.m. And then at 2:47 I updated that I have closed my positions, which is over here. Now coming back to the straddle prices, so they fell during the first half. They were like falling during the entire day, but they were falling like really slow, and that really doesn't matter. And after 2 p.m., they, kind of went up and closed sideways. So this means that tomorrow, which is the expiry of Nifty, um, there should be like some movement, I guess, like at least a bit of movement. That at least that's what the option market is expecting. Anyways, you guys have seen my position. Anyways, so but here you go again. So yeah, these are my positions for today. As you can see, I made about 4,700, but after taxes and charges, it's about 4,200. And I've also updated the Excel sheet, so let me just show you that as well. As you can see, yesterday I made 2,100 and today I made 4,200. So technically the 30-day challenge is over, and in grand total I have made 64,000. I had 19 winning trades and 10 losing trades. So that's that. So this is really good. For I only use 3 lakhs in margin. Only 3 lakhs. So with 3 lakhs, I made about 64,000 in profit. So this was a really good month in my books. So yeah, from I guess the next trades I'm gonna do, I will do like my personal trades. I won't, follow the challenge rules. The rules were to like just do option selling, like non-directional option selling using straddles. From my videos onwards from now, they will just contain option selling like any type. It can be directional, non-directional. I won't stick to the straddles only. So yeah, so the challenge is over. I made about 64,272 in total. My average profit per trade was 2,142, and my average tax per trade was 116. By average tax, this doesn't include the STT. I haven't included the STT in this. This is just the exchange, the brokerage, and all the other, the small fees like the SEBI fees, etc. If you add STT, you just add about 400-500 more to this, so it's like about 600 average tax per trade. So yeah, this was a good month. Now, let me show you how I made money yesterday, because yesterday's market was really volatile, like really volatile. Because yesterday there was also the expiry of Sensex, so a lot of people must have lost money like non-directional trading yesterday. But let me show you how I made money yesterday. So yesterday, you see the market opened a gap up, and as soon as it gapped up, the market fell, and it was just moving a lot. At 10:15 a.m., the market went up, and then it moved right back down. So at this point, I was sure, like absolutely sure that the market will continue its movement. So I exited all my straddles and my option selling positions. And luckily, after that, there was a big movement like this one. You can like see the movement, like it's not that much, but the in this movement, like this movement alone, the put price is almost like doubled. So I would have lost a lot of money in this one spike. Now, to prove this, I will show you the Telegram again. So at 9:32, I sent a message that a wild Sensex expiry incoming at 9:32. 9:32, like at this candle, like as soon as the market opened, basically, I told you guys that there will be movement. And after that, at 1 p.m., I updated that I had predicted the market movement, so I had saved my capital. So that's basically all. As you can see, it was down like 0.9% that time. Anyways, that's basically all for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow, I guess. And I'll upload I guess a summary video for like this 30-day challenge. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.